Bro, why look like I seen this movie before? I see this shit. I think I seen it on Netflix. It was this chicken farm or some shit. I think it's called Cooties or some shit. None of this shit happened to be in real life. Ain't this about a bitch? I told you everything be in the movies, bro, before they put it into the world. It said China reports the first human case of H1N H10N3 bird flu. What the fuck is that? Oh shit. Here we go again. Somebody shout out to my mistake. It's A1. It's a 41-year-old man in China has been confirmed as the first human case of infected infected with a rare damn man, it's fucking noise strain of bird flu known as H1N3. It said many different strains of the bird flu are presented in China and some sparkling some spittle. What the fuck is that? Spittle? Spittle. Oh man, hold on, bro. Damn, this fucking noise, man. Mm. Is it, uh, sporadically infect people, usually those working with pollen, pollen, pollen. I don't know. It said the man, a resident of the city, Zhenjiang, was hospitalized on April 18th and diagnosed with the H1N3 on May 28th. The Health Commission said they did not give details on how the man was infected, and there is no indication that the H1N3 can spread easily in humans. It's a via China Nation Health Commission, National Health Commission. Oh shit.